Welcome back. Today we are going to start fundamental concept of computer science, that is data structures. Before going in, so let's start with a simple example. Imagine you are in a grocery store and surrounded with the containers with the items like rice, nuts and sugar. Now let's think about what would happen if we combine all the items into a single container. Chaos, right? Sorting and finding that nightmare. In this scenario, the container serves as a critical purpose here to organize, separate, and make things more accessible. In the same way, computer use data structures to efficiently store the data, retrieve, and process the information. Now let's see the types of data structures. Data structures are broadly classified into two types: linear data structures and non-linear data structures. We're going to explore more on each topic going forward, but as of now, this is just to provide an information how data structures are classified. Linear data structures are again classified into two types: static and non-static, so which is dynamic. And other side we have a non-linear data structures where we have trees and graphs. So coming to the linear data structures, so linear data structures are the type of data structures in which data elements are arranged in linear form. This means that each element has a preceding and a successor, except for the first and last element. This is shown in the example on the screen. Now non-linear data structures. Non-linear data structures are the data structures in which data elements are not arranged in a sequential manner. Instead, the data elements are linked together in a more complex way. The simple daily life example would be family tree. That's it for the day. We'll see more about each type in next video. Stay tuned. Thank you.